Okay. Now I'm using um Chrome.
Good. So you could run it in Chrome again, right?
Yeah,
Well, what
it
happened? Well, why couldn't you do it the last time in Chrome?
oh, this is no, this is not Chrome. This is a
The
Firefox.
okay.
Because it wasn't
Okay.
working on Chrome.
Oh, okay. I was about
Yeah,
to say, yeah.
yeah. So, and it's job application.
Mhm.
That's the name of our flow. Oh, job posting flow. Okay. Okay, here's the flow.
Very nice, guys. Very nice.
Okay. So
Oh,
now
what am I doing?
double click on that jobs not selected screen.
This is where we left off.
Oh, this is where we left off.
This is where we left off. No, but okay. X out of there. Cancel out of that. So now we have to where if the job is not selected, then we have to it should allow us to be able to create a new job posting. I think that's where we're,
Yeah.
what we're trying to do now.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So you guys want to work on that for say an hour, and then I'll check
Okay.
on you.
So
Yes.
so what exactly is the new task, Lou?
So okay,
Do a
if the
debug.
job, if the
Just do.
yeah, do
Hold
a
on.
debug, do a debug,
Do a
debug
debug.
basketball,
Mhm.
You could say run here.
Oops. Wait. So, oh
run.
my God. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you don't check one of those check boxes for the job postings or job listings, job applications or job listings, let's say you don't
Mhm.
check one of them, scroll down, there should be a next button.
I think you're supposed to click. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. It goes to not select screen message. Okay.
Right,
But if you select something, then
right. And
you should
so
Oh, perfect.
if you
click
don't
on.
select something, then you should be able to say create a new job posting with a job
Oh,
application.
Oh, I see.
You see what I'm saying?
Yep.
yeah.
Like select something right now. And
Okay.
the job listing, if you have
Yep. On the job listing.
on the
Oh,
both,
I didn't.
under both.
Okay. And then next.
Click next. See,
Okay,
you're
done.
good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So if not selected, which
Okay.
obviously we didn't select something, then we should be able to create a new job posting with an application.
Okay. So let me help you guys for a second here. Run this again. Okay. What's the purpose of having the check boxes to the left in the job applications? Why select those?
Is it because the first one will give you information about the company application, and the second one will give you, oh, actually, no, job posting will fire. Oh, okay. Is it that the first the first table will show you the jobs that you applied to,
Yeah.
and
So,
the second one,
but why have a checkbox there?
yeah, that's a good question. I don't know why you guys designed it that way. Yeah.
Well, that's because they didn't really think about how this table should look like. So how do you get rid of the checkboxes on the top one?
Mm,
Not you. Happiness, you want to try just Xing out of this?
X.
Yeah, you could go to the
Oh,
top and just X out of it. Now, how do you get click on the display the job list? Okay, click on that one.
click on this one.
Yeah, so how do you get rid of the checkbox, those checkboxes?
Uh, configure columns.
No, those are columns, but you're trying to configure what? The rows.
Oh, the rows. Okay. So I'm gonna click on that.
no.
View only.
Yeah, that's it.
Ooh, okay. And then finish. Oh,
You gotta do the same thing for the job post listing.
job listing. View only.
No. If you do that, then you can't select the job listing.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
really?
right. So keep it at multiple. Keep it at multiple.
N-
Multiple.
No, not multi, singles.
Yep.
Okay.
Single? Okay.
Now hold on. What does the finish mean over there that she's pointing to? Because she's trying to click on on finish.
No, I think she's supposed to click on done
But explain to her why though.
because
Why is
this is part of the display table.
yeah, it's the screen and what you're doing is you're modifying the screen, but it's showing you how the screen looks like. Done on the right side is saying you're done with the screen.
Oh, okay.
So you can click on that blue done,
Done.
okay, and save it. See if it works.
Ooh,
And you can click on one of these.
No, it didn't work.
Yes, it
The
did.
job listing, no, the
click
job
on the job.
listing, the job listing down there
Mm-hmm.
is it's not single.
Click on try clicking on two.
Hmm?
Try clicking on two. Click one and then click another one.
Oh,
Yeah, she
Oh,
nor
said it's a single, so it is single, Lou.
yeah,
Yeah.
normally it's supposed to be a radial button. Okay, so it looks like this is fine.
okay.
Now, so think of it this way. If she had applied to blue signal, which she did, if she clicked on next, it should know that she applied and it should say you applied already.
Yep.
Choose a different one.
Full price.
No, but I'm saying you see how this should work. If you click on something you already applied on and you said next, it should give you an error and tell you, no, you applied already. You can't apply
Oh,
twice. You
oh,
see?
okay. So click
That's
next
fine.
to see.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, click next. All done. So it should in this one it should say it's an error, right, Lou?
So happiness, what we're doing is we're working out the rules, the flow of what you need to do. Run this again. So this is what you see, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But how should it work? So now you have to think, how should this work? So the only thing you click on is on the bottom. So tell me the rules, the business flow, how this should work. You understand what I'm saying, happiness?
I'm actually trying to get it.
Okay.
Can you explain that again, please?
I think what Lou's trying to say, so I guess for this specific case, like let's say you click on Bloomfire, right? But it says here that you already applied to Bloomfire, right? You've been rejected,
Yeah.
right? If you click Bloomfire and you click on next, what should happen?
You should get a
Oh,
message
it will show
saying,
that.
not show,
Yeah.
it should get a message saying you've already
Error.
applied to this,
And the interview is over, I believe. Yeah.
or at the
'Cause
very least, you've already applied to this job, at the very minimum.
yeah.
And then if it's something you haven't been applied to, then it should then move you on to
Where you can apply to it.
Oh, okay. You both are talking together, so I'm confused. If I click the job that I haven't applied, what?
No. So this is okay. So like, okay, let's. Lou said you click on this, right? Right?
Yeah.
Like, I'm just saying what should happen is if you click on this, but you've already applied to it, and you click next, what should happen?
Like,
It
click
should.
on Bloomfire.
No, just because it's not set up right now, Jermaine.
No,
I
no,
think
this is what we're trying to explain to her. Click on Bloomfire. Now, hold on. Before you click next, what should it say?
It should say that I applied to this job already.
Exactly. Now click next. It doesn't say that. We have to fix this. So it says
Oh,
that.
you have
And
to
that's
click
what we call a business process flow. So normally before you build your application, right, your flow, you're supposed to have some idea of how it should work. You see what I mean?
yes.
Now run it again. So you said that if you clicked on a job that you already applied for, it should give you a display that says, sorry, but you applied for this job already, pick a new one, right?
Yes.
Now, what happens if you click on something that you did not apply for? What should it do?
Um,
Like, which
I
one
didn't
did
apply.
on this list that you did not apply to, according to
The full
the full press? Okay, so if you click on next, what should it say before you do it? Don't click on next. What should
uh,
it say?
it should probably give me an error. It
No,
should
you
let
could
me
just simply
apply.
say, would you like to apply?
Yeah, it
Or
should let
something
me
like
apply.
that.
Yeah.
Okay. And once, first of all, it shouldn't say, would you like to apply? It should just pop up
Allow you to
a
apply.
screen
Oh,
that
pop
will
up the screen.
collect the information for you to then create a new application.
Got it. Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, now that makes sense. Now I did
So,
understand.
so you
Now,
have two
we
two
sorry, go ahead, Lou.
you have two branches, right?
Mm-hmm.
One would be if you already applied it, give you an error, and then you just press previous, you come back here.
Mm-hmm.
Then you uncheck it and you check something that you didn't apply for, and then when you say next, it pops open a new screen where it collects all the information you need for the application.
Got it.
Right? You got that too, Jermaine?
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I give you an hour to try it?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, guys.
Okay, so
Okay.
now X out of that job posting thing flow, that one, the that page, X out of that,
What happened, John?
X out of that page,
Oh,
off this page. So now
okay.
let's fix the one where it said the job is selected. Click the plus.
The job is selected.
Selected. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Click the plus.
No, not that one.
Oh,
That's no
woo.
job
Job is
is selected. We need
okay.
to create a screen saying you've already applied
Uh-huh.
for that
Okay.
particular job.
Okay.
So you're going to create a screen.
Okay.
You bypassed it.
Yeah.
It's the first one, a screen. Then the
And
label is going to be job already applied. You're going to just say job already
okay.
applied in the label. Good. Now you go to pull in a display text. You're going to say API name already applied, let's just say. Underscore applied. And then nope. Now in that box, you're going to
The
say
same API?
no, not in the API box. In that box right there under resource. You've already applied for this job. Wow, I'm getting more comfortable with flows. How this works. Okay. Now, right now, let's dress it up a
Um,
bit. I'll put it in bold and you know.
oh my God. Jermaine likes to be fancy.
No, this is good because on the
Mhm.
job they're going to ask you to do things like this.
Really?
Highlight
Okay.
it and put the B.
Bold.
Change the font size to about like 16.
Oh,
The
okay.
size. Okay, and then
Yeah.
change. You could, if you want, you could change the colors. If not, you can leave it as is.
Okay. Let's put this
And then you
color.
have to click done to see the changes.
Ooh, done. Oh, it didn't do change. Oh, it did changes. I can
Okay.
see the brown. Yeah.
Okay, then click right. Then you can click done.
Done. Done.
Done. Now you got to save this.
Save.
And now you got to debug. Now run it.
Ooh, okay.
Now click on the job that you applied to already.
Bloomberg. Okay. Next. Oh, wow.
See,
Fancy.
go ahead. Happy. All right.
Ah,
Hey. Oh, hey. Okay. All right.
yeah. Okay. So
So now
now
you can
click.
click finish. Now X out of that.
I'll do that, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
No,
And then
oh, no, okay, hold on. Okay, go back, hit down debug,
Mhm.
run.
Probably get to
Now pick a job you didn't apply, technically apply to.
I did not apply.
You did not apply to that. Okay, now what
Yeah.
should it allow us to do if you click next so you understand this?
Uh, this should give us a screen that will let us apply for this job
Bingo. Click
because I
finish.
didn't apply.
Right,
Yeah.
click next. See?
Oh,
Oh,
wow. Nice job, guys.
no,
no.
Wait, you
it's
said it,
saying
you
you've
already applied
applied.
to it?
So go back, previous. Are you certain
I
you
did
applied to that?
no full price. I don't think I did apply. Let me go uh, on the jobs. On the app, job application.
All, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, but you see, it doesn't tell you what's the name of that of these.
oh my God. Oh, maybe job posting. Oh my
Go to
God.
job posting and then go to all.
Why don't you just type in the name of the company?
Hold on, hold on.
Type here. Full price here.
Yeah.
Now
Oh, it's job
click on that.
001.
Click on that. Now click on job application. No,
Oh,
there.
over here.
So
Oh,
see,
see, it did not.
so it you technically did apply. Now, why it's not showing up in that flow is another argument or
And
another
it shows.
question.
Mm,
Oh, maybe. Oh,
maybe it's not showing all of them?
no, I did not apply for this because you see here. I think this is
No,
you,
you
Jermaine.
did apply.
I did?
Yes, because it has an application number. You can't have an application number without applying.
Well, why don't you check to see if that's you who actually applied to it?
Yeah.
Maybe there's something wrong with the formulas just to double check.
Yeah, I
No, she had
remember.
to have applied to because I didn't apply to that.
Was it?
And it's only two of us. So you had to have applied to it.
I don't think I.
Because I know I didn't apply to full press.
Okay, hold on. Let's see. This is the application
Yeah.
APP0011. Application 11. See, this was created and was modified by Jermaine.
Oh, so that
I
was.
think you approved it. I did not do
Oh,
that.
so I did apply to that. I told
Yeah,
you I
you did.
applied to that. You tried to say it was you. I'm just messing with
Oh,
you.
oh my God,
I'm
Jermaine,
messing with you, God.
you're confusing. Oh my
Okay.
God.
Don't fight, guys, don't fight.
Okay. Now, so technically, but it should not say because with you, it should not
This
say
one
you've
is
applied
so
to that.
awkward.
I think the formulas are messed up. Maybe
Oh, you know why? Because this is supposed to be slow for me. I'm running as
Only her. So technically, that should not have shown up full press
yeah.
because she didn't
How
run
about
as another.
let's
She
see.
didn't run as another user.
Oh, so I should run as another.
This is
Wait a
confusing.
minute.
Yeah.
Really
I think
confusing.
there's something wrong with the formula, guys. Can you go back to check the formula you did for the applicant name?
Applicant name?
Yeah.
Stop buggering. Applicant name?
Mm-hmm.
How do I do that?
So if you go back to the flow,
Oh, the flow.
this is under job. I think it's job applications. So go to the object job applications and look at applicant name on the back end.
Edit object?
No, you're not. Okay, your job applications, right?
Yeah. And then
Fields a relationship.
No, is this
job application? Yeah.
Just says applications on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, click on object manager. No, just click on the middle, object manager. Yep. And then type in job.
Job application. Oh, there's nothing like
So
that.
is it just application then? Or
Yeah.
job posting maybe?
Job posting, that's a different object.
No, but
Yeah.
but that's not where that field sits, right?
The field is saying job application, and this is job listing.
Right, but
Oh,
I'm
this is
saying,
the job posting
okay,
field.
yeah. So then go here, job posting. Let's look. No, sorry. Go object manager. Click on here, just to quickly look for that field.
Okay.
Go to fields and relationships and type in that name of the field that you're looking for. What is it? Job applicant.
Oh, job application, right?
Okay, so then it's in. Maybe it's in just. No. Oh, no, it's application deadline. So we're gonna go back here to. Oh, I guess it is application, maybe.
You gotta go to application, right?
Drive, happiness drive.
Field in relationship.
And then look for that field.
Then there's job posting name. It's job posting name. That's the formula.
Job posting. Oh,
Click on
okay.
that. And then let's look at the formula. What? Can you refresh this page?
What the
I have to
heck? No,
refresh
it's
it.
saying you can't review this. You got to go to Salesforce Classic. This is ridiculous. All right, you know what? Oh my God.
Okay, fine. Let's see. But it says job posting company name. That's not what it is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I can switch lightning. Switch here.
No. I mean, that's
No.
fine. We can formula, but my question is, so this one was this thing. Okay. So this one's applicant name, right? Your applicant
Right.
name.
That's all the
Or maybe-
ones that she applied to.
Right. But this one's showing job posting
Company name.
company name.
And that's correct.
Yeah, so then that's fine. So then we have to look at the applicant, not the will be
Hold on.
app.
There's another Formula One created by username. Okay. No, that shows her name then. So that's fine.
So we're looking for applicant name then.
You know what? How about we try another job that I didn't apply and see if it can actually give me the same thing.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh wait, oh no, that's not all number. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's
try
run
it
it.
out.
I think follower there are two followers here. Let me just click both of them and oh, there is I didn't apply to Interstate West Service.
Right.
Yeah, let me see. Next.
See, it should not, hold on. See, it should not
Yeah.
say that.
Yeah, let me
Not for
how about-
you.
Yeah,
For me, it should say that.
yeah. Let me see. I'm trying this folder because I didn't apply to both of them. So the looks like the problem is it applies to both jobs that I applied and both job that I didn't apply.
So let me see.
Do you wanna try to
Okay,
see?
then hold on.
Okay.
Let's run again.
Run.
Run again.
Okay,
To-
run again.
X out of here. Let's debug one more time.
Okay.
Now you're going to do it this way. Click on debug.
Debug?
Now, hold on. You're going to click on that checkbox next to run flow as another.
Click this one.
Yeah. Now search for me.
Jermaine, CEO. Jermaine. Jermaine is the CEO.
Maybe
Yeah, Jermaine is
that's
the
why.
CEO of
Maybe that's why
Did it
it's
say, did it
still
change
up.
everything to Jermaine now?
Oh.
Yeah, see, there's something wrong with applicant name. It's not, so applicant name should actually just be a reflection of the people who apply to this specific job.
It is.
Yeah. Should we try one of the job that you didn't apply and see?
Yeah.
I think you. Oh, okay. Let's
It's showing that I
try
tried the full press. Right.
blue.
Signal search. Click on that. See,
Ooh,
you applied to it, but I didn't.
yeah. Oh, so something is wrong.
Maybe
Yes.
something wrong with the flow. Can you go back to the flow then?
Yes. Go back to
Yep.
the flow.
No, go into
Oh
flow.
no.
And then what? Click on the decision tree. Let's look at that. Double click on it. Okay, so let's see. Job is not selected. Okay, is blank is true. Okay, and then job is. I don't think there's any category for job is selected. No, so
No,
basically
hold on.
like
Click on that. Job is selected. Hold on. No. Job is selected.
Job is selected.
No. Stay there. Now
there's
click
a
on that.
default outcome.
Sorry.
Click on the label. No, let me see. No, so it should be the opposite. No, it's fine. Job is selected. Okay. Go to job
No.
is
Okay,
not.
wait. So
Go back to job is not selected.
but what does it say first selected row? Okay.
Try the false.
Hmm?
Try false instead of it's
False?
blank.
Oh, what
In
do you
other
mean?
words, no, in the value. Go to the value.
Value.
Oh, you're saying false.
Right.
So X that out and change to false.
Click on false. Right. Now, save. Now, debug.
Debug?
Run is another user. Well,
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
It's
Go back.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now pick one that you didn't do. The interstate. Click on that interstate one.
Okay.
Oh, not full press. Click on it. Oh, you
Enter.
didn't do full press. That's right. So
Oh, I did it. Yeah.
click on next.
Ooh, not selected screen message.
So that was the one. We got it backwards. Instead of true, it should have been
Yeah.
false.
There you go, guys. Good job, guys. Good job.
Yay. Should
Job
I try
good.
another
Job good.
job?
Now click on one you did select.
Blue fire?
Bloom
I
5.
think I,
Yeah, that's when you did do it.
ooh,
No.
I this one.
No, no. Why don't you X this one now and rerun it?
Exit,
Exit and then re-debug. I mean, yeah,
refresh it.
yeah. Refresh the web page, and then hit debug again, and then try it.
Run.
That's fine.
So I
Now
should
do
select
do one that you did do.
okay, Burmiller.
Bloomberg.
Damn. The message disappeared.
See, so something's wrong. Hold on. So, all right, go back to the flow. So
Okay.
X out of this.
Should we put
Go
back?
back to the decision, put that back as true.
So it didn't work.
No, it didn't work.
Now click save.
And go debug, see if the screen is still popping.
Give me a second. Debug basketball. Okay. Job is already applied. Job not selected screen.
Wait, what are you guys doing now?
We're trying to fix that. Hold on. Because it's not working. It didn't work. Because all it did was just simply say, it pretended like she did not apply, even if she did. So, shoot. Okay. Go to that job already applied screen flow. I mean the flow the screen thing.
So the
double
debug.
no. Go into the job already applied screen that we created.
Oh,
Go back
okay.
into the flow.
To the flow.
To the flow. Now go to the job already applied.
Oh, okay. Already apply.
Okay. You've already applied to this job. Let me see.
Mhm.
No, this doesn't fix our problem. Okay, hit cancel. All right. Why don't we do this? For now, let's, rather than just getting stuck on this part. Now, let's assume we didn't apply. We got to create a screen where it allows us to pull up an application. So how do we do that? Maybe, if we,
Oh, the job that we did not apply.
right.
And okay.
But let's say you want to apply for it. You should be able to pull up an application.
Yeah. Mm, job not also. Should we
So
create
after
another
the job
screen?
not selected screen, hold
Yeah.
on. There should be a plus, and then it should be able to do a get record, or hold on, create record. Create record. Yeah, create record.
I should add a create record
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Click on that. create record. Um, let's call this create job application. Let's just call it that.
Applications.
Application is fine. From the record variable, click on that. From the record variable, leave that.
Oh, okay.
One is fine. Create record from search record application. Display the job list. Hold on. You know what? The screen component of the, wait a minute. Display job list. Click on that.
Ooh.
So you guys are
Hold on.
now trying to create the records.
No,
Okay.
let me see. Maybe, hold on.
So wait, so now you guys are trying to create the records?
No, okay. So what we're trying to do is, okay, let's say
Yes.
we didn't apply. Then we want to be able to, from the screen, say, when we click on next, say, oh, would you, hold on. On the job not selected screen, you know what? X out of this one for a second. So this way. And X out of this, right.
If
No, just click
get rid of
once. Just
this?
click once. And then delete element. Okay. So now double clicking that job not selected screen. See, so then the next thing we should be able to do
Is add a button that will show ours.
a button. Oh,
Will
wait a
take
minute.
us straight. Yeah. A button that will say, will take us to the
And
application
then
that we can.
say where you could apply for the application. Oh,
No,
wait a minute.
So the way I've done something like this before is
Mhm.
that you put in what exactly you want to update. When you update the records, you put what the new record is and everything else, and then you have the next window verify that change, and then you verify that change on the screen. So we can do the same thing on the flow. We don't have to go back to the record itself. That's what you were talking about, right?
Well, you should be able to just apply.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So why don't we go back, Happiness?
Exit out here?
Mm-hmm. So why don't you click on the little plus sign here, because this is job not selected, right? And then create. See, so create records.
We tried this.
Type in, wait, click on it. And from a record variable, click on the drop down for that.
It's either manual or
Manual and object and configure record value. Okay. Yeah. Well, Ooh, this one's interesting. Okay. Yeah, so something like this. And I don't think even I've actually done something like this.
okay. So you know what? Let's go to Chat GPT.
Okay.
Yeah, because the way I've done it, I've only ever done it with like text files where an acknowledgement letter is sent to a user, but never that specific records are updated. Yeah.
So now we're gonna say how to create a job application from a job posting flow.
How to create
A job application from a job posting. I mean, from a job posting flow.
I think maybe if this doesn't work, I think maybe start more generic. Like I want to update records. I
Hold
want to
on,
use
hold on, hold on. Let's see what this comes out to first.
Yeah.
Hit enter.
Oh, I forgot to send Salesforce.
That doesn't matter. It
Right.
knows what you're saying.
Oh, look, it tells me she resume.
Okay, you can say in Salesforce. Yeah, all right. We got a custom object for job application, so we don't need that.
Got it. Cover letter.
So it is create record. Nope, we don't need to go all the way up there.
This one?
Add a create record action. Yeah. Add a create record action to store the submitted
I think
application
this
into.
one. Hmm.
So we have to create.
Wow.
What are you doing? Let's just go to the create record.
Okay.
Add a create record option to store the submitted application into the job application custom object in Salesforce. Link the job application to the job posting object. If you create one by referencing the job posting ID. So you got to have in there the job posting ID. So go back to the flow.
Oh, I see what that is. Okay.
So now you got to do a create record.
Create record. Oh,
Yeah.
add create record
Yeah.
here?
Create job application. Let's call it that. Yeah. So we was right on the first part. It's just figuring out. Leave that. Leave that. Now the record should be the job posting ID. I'm thinking that's what it should be. Display.
Universal.
No, click on the job list. Click on job listings. No, just click on job listing. Okay, so you
Yeah, I
did.
did.
Oh, you did. Okay. It's incompatible, so something happened. The type is incompatible. Go back in there. No, just click on job listing. No, hold on. Job listings. Check. Click there. No, okay. Click out of there. Just click out of there. So that's not working. Okay.
I kind of, Jeffrey, what do you think?
Okay, so you don't create records. You need to get the record. Oh, I think for the record, try using can you go back into the front end and go to job posting? Okay, is this normally where you create a new one?
Yeah, a new job posting. And then you will create the application from it.
Yeah, over here.
Can you, is there any ID in the URL?
Yeah.
Doesn't look kind of
So click on
ID.
the job posting, anyone. See, there goes the ID right there.
Take that ID. Let's start with that.
Okay, I caught that.
Okay, now go back and post it in the record ID in the flow.
This
Mm-hmm.
here?
Yeah.
Yeah,
See
post it, place it there.
Pulls up.
Thanks.
Enter a valid value.
Okay, so that's not. Can you? Okay,
All
so
right, hold on.
are you
Click,
sure that's
click
where
in
you
there.
go to apply for?
Hold on. Delete that part. Click on new resource. Nope.
New
Go back.
resource?
Go back in the box. New resource.
Ooh.
Click there.
What should we pick from here?
I'm thinking. Hold on. Oh,
Can
this
you?
is frustrating.
Hmm.
Excuse me. Damn it. Okay. Choice. No. Solution.
Can you? Is that everything? Is that all the options?
Yeah.
Uh, Selection method, store, calculated value, formula, story value, story value.
Hmm.
What are you doing? New resource store.
Because Jermaine told me to try.
No, we're just
No,
giving
so
it a
let's
try. I don't know. Because, see,
Yeah, we're giving it a try.
Oh, so why don't you just do it this way? Can you
Ooh.
type in the
manually, that might be it. Yeah. The
what's the
object is going to be
object?
application.
It's called application. Oh, this application, see?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Then the
Oh.
fields. Okay.
And then we're
Click in
gonna add
it.
field.
Click in there. In the search. No. Delete that second one. Just click in the field box. Relationship field, job posting.
Job posting.
Yes, do that. Oh, yes. Now it's coming back to me. Okay, so so you wanna okay, so now you wanna add I guess we can come
It's
back to this,
true.
but you wanna add a field. You wanna add field. And if you go back to the front end and you click as if though you were applying for a job, go back,
On the job posting.
click on new.
New.
Okay, so you need job title. So you need to go back to the flow. You need job title.
Yeah.
So here,
Mhm.
there's no job title.
Just keep typing. Something's missing. Hold on. Delete that. No. Okay. Hold on. It's telling you the ones you can pick. Hold on. No, that's from the application object.
Oh, this is from job posting.
Go to the front
Oh,
end.
we are on the job.
No, you're on the job posting.
Oh,
Applications.
Yes.
oh,
No.
it's
See,
something.
this is what it's giving you.
Date application starters. Oh, my bad.
So no, we're on the right thing. We're on the right thing. So you don't need the extra.
These stuff?
No, you need to put, well,
No, you need put all of them. Put all of them. Yes.
So
Submission date.
application. Submission dates. Application. Notes.
Yes. Because we're creating an application.
Yeah. So this
So-
is job posting.
Yes.
So
So you click on the job that you want to apply to, and then all these other stuff, So yeah. Now-
yeah.
Okay. Click save.
Okay. Oh, your electric
Now click debug.
debug. And run.
Run flow. Now see, I don't think this is going to work properly because it's going to assume that we've applied to all the jobs. But click on
Yeah.
the job you didn't apply to, that interstate thingy. Do the
So
interstate thingy.
interested? Okay. Okay.
See, yeah. Okay, so go back to our flow.
On the floor.
We have to fix this because this is now causing a problem.
Yeah. So I'm gonna exit out here. So we have to fix that. Like it both it all applied to all job that has been applied and the job that are not applied.
yeah.
Why? That's what we have to fix.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's think this through.
Yeah.
Okay, scroll up. Let's follow the pattern. All the way up. Okay. So we have the get job posting rec. So we have the get records for job posting. And we have the get records for application. So we have both. Right? Then we have the display the jobs list screen. Check to see if a job is selected. We have a decision element.
Job
If
is
the
not
job
selected.
is not selected, then we have a job is not selected screen. Do we really need that job is not selected screen, or we could just have a create job application?
I think we do need it.
Yeah, I think Lou wants to have it that way set up so that we understand the process. The
No,
business process of
you're
it.
right. I'm just thinking though, because we still got to create another screen saying that you've now applied for this job.
Yeah.
But before we can do that screen, we have to fix why is it showing that we've applied even though we didn't apply. Job is selected, job already applied screen. Okay. Excuse me.
Something has to be wrong somewhere here. I wonder where.
After
Maybe
something from the
follower?
decision element down is the problem.
Yeah, on the decision somewhere here.
Yeah. Double click in the decision thing again. Check if job is selected. Job is not selected. Oh, no, go back.
Yes.
Yeah, job is not selected. Job is not selected. All conditions are met and
Hmm.
that resource may not be correct. Let me see. Is it the resource that could be the
Resource?
problem?
Oh, probably.
Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Just put your mouse in there. Let's see what happened. Don't delete it. Okay, nothing's happening. Click on add condition. Click in there. Okay. Go back up. Go back up. Where it says see job already applied. Click on that and let's see. Click in there. Okay.
Yeah.
No values fine. Click out of there. Is enter a value for the operator. For the operator, you have to enter a value. You have to for the operator.
Operator?
That one right there. Was visited. Let's see. No. No. So then no, that's not gonna work. So delete that.
Job over. No, but why are you using the screen as a resource? That doesn't make any sense.
Well, all I'm doing is adding a condition. So if the job is not selected, then we want to be able to click on add.
Don't destroy that.
All right. Oh crap.
X out of it. Oh, there we
Yeah.
go. Forget it.
Was
Don't
it
do anything.
this is one of the resources. What the heck is this resource? Um, what's that, guys? Got my full attention. Let's see. Listings. Is it job listings?
Hold on for a second, Phil.
Okay, so you're getting that. Okay, that looks correct. So that's been applied to good job applications created by So for the job status, why are you only getting holy cow, it's not for the job postings, why are you guys only getting equals applied, job status applied?
Okay.
You're getting get job postings and you're only retrieving data that's equals applied.
Yeah, because we want to see only the applied one.
But when you run this.
The thing is, when we run it, it's included to both applied and not applied.
No, but you're only retrieving data that says applied,
Yeah,
was applied.
because we want to retrieve the applied one. So
Okay, so get job posting. So this one is job applications. Yeah, there's something not right. And did you guys figure out the create job stuff or no? Okay, so at least you guys added the field. We need the job posting. mm,
Job posting.
This is interesting. Yeah, we might need help, or maybe we can figure this out, but I think that other stuff we can focus on a little later. I think Lou wants us to focus on this portion of it.
which we did already.
No, but it's not done yet because
It's
there's
not done.
no, because you're not assigning any values to it. What's the submission date? So
Oh, I guess because we picked to put manually.
yeah, I mean, and that's fine, but we can actually show this to be this we can to a screen, I believe. And then we can use like we can have another screen like over here, or I think it's over here.
Now
And
you
then
on that you're going to say you've applied to the job.
yeah,
Yes.
and then you can have um the labels reflect. So let me see. How do I then this would be hmm, data table display image. Interesting.
You know what? Go to YouTube. Let's see if YouTube might have. Or and go to
YouTube,
Google
what
and
should
to
I
do a video saying asking that question. Go
I go
to
YouTube?
no, go to Google.
Google. Yes.
Hmm. Okay,
What
and
should I
then Google paste that one in about how to create an application from the job. Go back to the Chat GPT thing that we did. Oh, you X'd out of there. Okay, so go back to Google. How to create an application from a job posting flow in Salesforce. Let's see if there's a
how to
video to create an application, a job application from a job posting flow in Salesforce. Now see if there's a video. Go all the way up. Go to videos. How to build hiring stages in Salesforce. Okay. How to schedule a job using Flow. Click on that one. The second one. That.
this?
Mm-hmm.
When you say job, maybe it's a different kind of job, but okay.
Today we're going to talk about how we can schedule jobs using Flow and no Apex. So let's think about a use case first. So for example, you have
Ooh, this is
leads coming
heavy.
in, and any leads that doesn't
X
have
out of it then.
you want to automatically schedule.
Who's coming in? X out of that.
Just do no, here, just do the I think no, I think the go back to YouTube. Okay, let me do that. Why don't you just do there you go, create records. I can do that.
Your company's workflow.
Hello and welcome back. So at the end of our last video, we and the get lead record. And then I'm going to press the delete button on my
Oh,
keyboard,
here it is. Look,
and you'll
screen,
see that now
get
screen
record.
1 is no longer connected to the get lead record, screen 2, or the update lead. Create records allows us to create Salesforce records using, we'll click that. And just as we did with our get records, we are going to create a lead record with a first and last name that is referenced in our screen flow.
Oh, okay.
Or from our screen, I mean. And so we'll add the first name field and the last name field. And then for their values in the value section, we'll just click and we'll scroll down to find the first name, enter that, and last name, and we'll enter that. And so you can see that we can reference the same screen component in multiple data elements. And that's really helpful because we have it now in both our get records and our create records. And I'm going to press done. I'm then going to connect screen 1 to the create lead, and I will press save. And we're probably going to get a little message that says, hey, these elements up here aren't connected to anything. But doesn't matter in this case. So one thing to be aware of when we use the create records is that whatever fields are required in Salesforce are also required when you're using the create records element. And what I mean by that is that if we were to come in here into Salesforce and press the leads tab, and then if we press new, you can see that some of these fields are required. So the company field, the status field. It seems like that. So there's different levels of requirements in Salesforce. Some fields are only required at the page layout level. Those fields you do not have to enter into the screen flow. However, some fields are required, it's called the API level or at the object level. And I think the company field is an example of that. So that means that if you try to create a lead record and you don't include the company field, you'll get an error. So with that in mind, we're going to go back to our flow and we're just going to fill in both the status and the company field. And for every flow that you work with, an understanding of the object.
Okay, guys, so let's make sure that we don't have any okay, yeah, I mean, it seems pretty simple. Oh, you only have job posting. That's the only requirement here that you actually need. So let's see, job posting, application status. I wonder if you could just type in job posting here. I think, okay, so let's see. This goes back to what I was thinking about, but let's see how he does it here.
You're working with in terms of what fields
See how
are required.
See how it says AA. These are resources that I think he created for these specific
Will be helpful so that
fields.
you can make your create records elements. Company field during the flow builder. So I'll do that and I'll just click open not contacted and we'll press done. And then we'll press save. And now we can run a debug. So we'll run this and we'll enter a new lead record. And
Yes.
so
see, look, he creates a separate screen and it has first name and last name here. You see? So then you have to do the same thing for this. Let me know, but that's my thought process. Let me see. So let me just go back here. Make sure he's
set the fields. For example, we could just and
okay,
then
so it's set up like this. Create record screen. So should be something like, so this one should be a screen. And then the label should be, let's see, what should this be? Maybe just a table? You have any questions, Happiness?
Mm. Mm.
No, it's not this one. It's I wonder what he used for this. Maybe an action plan template. Oh, okay, wait, haven't I? What do you think, Jermaine?
I think you might be onto something.
No, it can't be tax. No.
Press save. And now we can run a debug.
Oh, so this is episode 7. Let's look at episode 6.
Suffering
that's
from
why I love
CRM
YouTube. You
headaches?
can figure this stuff out.
You don't have to. Move to Monday CRM and move deals to peace of mind. Monday CRM is a platform to manage.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So at the end to the canvas. So I'll just move my mouse over to the screen element under interaction. Drag that
Hold
over.
on. Lionel and Lou is going to be joining us. So X out of there.
Ooh, yeah, you can't.
Shoot. They can see chitting shit.
No, can you save this guy? Because I think he's pretty good.
Okay, so
Salesforce
great.
made simple, right? I mean, what do you guys think? That he makes
Yeah,
things pretty simple.
save that, but just okay.
Okay, so we'll leave it at that. But I think you guys need a new screen and you guys need to create resources.
Go, Louis, coming in. You're gonna have to save us.
Okay,
Me?
he's
Yeah.
joining.
Hey, Lou.
Lion King.
Lion-
Lion King.
Hey.
Roar. Hey there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they don't have any lion animals.
Oh.
Hey.
Hi, Lionel.
Hey, I must I got to change my face here.
Join the farm animals, man. The farm animals. Ooh.
Oh, gee, happiness. What happened to your voice?
Me? Oh, that was Jeffrey.
Hey.
My voice.
So,
Yeah.
so we're going to explain where we are.
Okay. So, run the debug
You
there.
can do it. Yeah, it says run the debug.
Run a debug. See, we're running into a problem. Click run.
Well, first of all, explain it because Lionel doesn't know what this is.
Hey guys.
Go back.
Come on, Salesforce experts.
Okay,
Okay.
Janine.
What we're doing is we're creating a flow for the jobs that we apply to.
Huh?
Okay. And in this particular flow, if we apply to the job, it should let us know, you applied to the job. However, if you click on one where there's a job posting but you didn't apply to, then you should be able to create an application to apply to that job.
Okay.
Okay? So that's basically what this flow is trying to, or the
Okay,
goal
and-
we're trying to accomplish with the flow.
Give the demo.
So now do the
Give a
debug.
demo.
Oh, so do a debug. Okay, so happiness or happy, she's gonna click on all the job. Like when she clicks run, this should show the job she applied to, or like so you have the job applications and then you have the job listings. Now you'll see that there are 9 items that show in the job listings. However, excuse me, there's only 7 that it says that she applied to. So that means that there's 2 that technically there's a job posting, but she technically didn't apply to. That's what this flow is saying. Right? So now she's going to click on Bloomfire or Bloomerang, because this is a job she applied to. And hold on, before you click next, show in the application up top where she applied. It'll be near the bottom. Bloomerang, right? So this
Yeah.
when she clicks on next, it should say she applied to this job. Okay, so click next. You have already applied for this job. Perfect. Now go back and click previous. Now this is where we're running into a problem. Click on that interstate waste services. Now that's a job I applied to. She didn't apply to it. And if you can look up top on that up top, you'll see the applicant name. So these are all the jobs she technically applied to. Not me, but her. So when she clicks next, it's supposed to allow her to apply for this job if she wants to apply for that interstate waste or whatever that company is. When interstate waste services, it should be able to allow her to create an application to apply for the job. So you understand that? Now click next. But now it's saying you've already applied to this job, but she did not apply to it. I did. So this is where we're stuck at right now.
Okay. So, Lai, you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna help them fix this problem,
Mm.
right? So you don't have to stay on because this might take a little while.
Okay. All right.
Oh.
Then I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit then.
Okay.
Yeah, so Lai, this is sort of similar what you'll need to do, but I mean the type of coding you'll wind up doing
Right.
for your app.
Right.
Okay, so let me help these guys. All right, guys, go into your flow. Okay, so what's the problem?
The problem
And
is
where is
it's
the problem?
saying that she applied for a job that she didn't apply for.
Okay, and so where is the issue?
So we try to go from decision element down to see where the problem lies. So if you go into the
Mhm.
decision element, go into the decision element. Okay. So we have here the label as job is not selected. We have all conditions are met and job listings is the first selected row is blank, and that is true.
Okay, X this out, debug again. Run. Okay, now choose a job you didn't apply for.
In that full press, okay.
Okay, next. Okay, now let's see. You see on the right side it says decision on the right?
Yeah.
On the right.
Go to the debug details. Nope. Stay there. Go there. Right there. Check up. You went there. Nope.
Yeah.
Go back down.
No.
Down. Right there. Decision.
Oh
Right.
yeah, decision here.
Okay, tell me what this means.
Check if job is select. Skip this outcome because its conditions weren't met. So the job is not selected.
It says the first selected row job posting is blank true.
Right. But now the problem is when we changed it to false, then we get a different message showing that we could apply, but the problem is, what if she already applied to the job? It's going to pretend like she didn't apply already. That's another thing.
All right. X this out. And slide that over. Right.
Oh.
Okay.
You can see my animals? Wait, sorry. Lou, can you say one more time?
Okay, let's talk about the workflow.
Okay.
So check if a job is selected. Now it's saying that the job is not selected. Is that right? No, it's always going to the right side versus the left side. Wasn't this working yesterday?
Yeah, before we put it was working yesterday, but it didn't have the you apply to this job.
Okay, let's see. I'll go back to the decision again.
I think this somewhere here
Okay,
is the problem.
Yeah,
change. What? No, change is blank to null. Is null. Let's see if this is working. Save this. Try this again.
Well, we didn't try that. Okay. Now go to one that you didn't do, full press. See? Oh, nope. So
Okay, that's fine. No, run again. Top right, top right.
Top right.
run
To the right.
again.
No.
To the right. Go to the right. Go to the right.
I
Yeah.
like.
Okay. Don't select anything and just say next.
Yeah.
There you go. What's wrong with this?
Okay.
What's the issue that you're having?
It should allow us to apply. No. Hold on. Not selected screen message. Oh, I see what's happening. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, X this out. Okay, go back to the decision. Change it to instead of is null is blank. Save. Debug.
Run.
Okay, run.
Now
Okay.
don't click nothing.
Now, pick something first. Doesn't matter what you pick, go next. Why does this screen come up? What does the decision tell you? What is it asking for?
Did you check any of the boxes?
Yes, and you did, right?
Yeah.
So that's why this came up.
Oh.
Now run this again. Okay, don't check a box and go next. Why did this come up?
Because we didn't check a box. So we say we didn't check a box, so then
So it's blank.
it's blank.
Right, so this comes up. So what is the problem? See, the problem is you didn't understand the logic that you put in here. What it's doing what you told it to do. You said if you check a box, say that you applied, and if you don't check a box, say that you didn't. But that's not good logic. What should be the logic?
That if we check a box, apply,
No. X
no?
this out and debug this again. Run. Okay, now check any of the boxes. Okay, don't do next. What should happen if she does next?
We applied to this job.
No, what should happen? What are you supposed
Oh,
to
what
do?
should happen? Oh, what do we want to happen? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, want to have we want to have a button that will let us apply for this job.
No. What's the first thing you see? Now you have to think very detailed. You just check a job listing, right? What should happen after you check the job listing?
Mm.
What should happen?
Let me ask, how do you know that she did not apply for interstate waste services? How do you
Because
know?
Because if you
But
look at the job application, it doesn't have
Yeah.
her name.
How's the computer?
Sorry.
Did you tell that in your flow? Did you tell the flow, look at the job applications to see if it's there?
No.
So how is it supposed to know?
You're supposed to be so smart, Lou, right? It's supposed to say.
It's not about smart. What it's about is you didn't break down your problem is you went too fast and you didn't break it down because you're missing the part where you check a job in a listing, and then the next thing is it part of your job applications? But you went way past that. You made the assumption that somehow the computer knows what to do. But how is it going to know what to do until you tell it, search the job applications to see if I applied? Just that's what you're doing now. You're doing it visually. How is the computer going to do it visually? You see the issue?
yeah.
Yeah. Now, how to fix the issue is the question.
It's not a fix. It's your logic is messed up because you're like, I'm checking this, and then I gotta look into my job applications. Is it there? You see what I mean?
Right.
Well, how do you know if it's there or not? What do you do? You see why you have to practice this, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Because you really have to be very detailed. When you go next, it's not supposed to answer whether or not
You did or didn't.
you applied for it. You have to say, search my applications. Is interstate waste there?
Oh.
Because how is it supposed to know? You made the assumption that it did the search, but you didn't tell it to do the search. You see the problem?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how do you do a search for interstate waste services? How would you do a search for interstate waste services?
So you have to get records.
Yes,
Use
you
a
need to get records.
record
You
element.
see, you absolutely missed this part because you in your mind you have this assumption. You see the problem. Because see what you're doing visually, right? Oh, something crashed?
No, I'm here.
No, I see that there's a box. Okay, hold on a
Oh,
second.
a box?
Oh no, yeah, don't worry. It's my computer. Okay. So happiness, do you understand the problem?
Yeah.
Because in your mind, you said interstate waste services is what you'd like to apply for, but it doesn't know that you have an application or not because it didn't do a search. You see? How it needs to look at the top and say, oh, okay, happiness did apply, but it didn't do anything. You didn't tell it to do that. And I'm asking you, let's do it. Let's X this out. Let's do this. Okay, what's the next step? You could X this out. We don't need this right now.
So after
So
the
what's the next step? Not after the decision.
Before the decision, we have to do a get record.
No, hold on. No, you're right. It's after the decision, and it's if no, hold on. Let's see. Job is not selected, and job is selected, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. Job not selected.
Okay, that's fine. So if you selected a job, right, and that's a job application, what should it do?
If you select a job,
Hmm
or what the job that is applied, or just a job?
Do a debug again. Run. So select any job. Did you apply? How do you know you applied to this?
Um, well, I'll know. I mean, I myself or the system,
No, I'm saying, how do you know? Yeah, how do you know that you applied to Bloomfire?
because included the job applications here, and it shows that I applied for
Yeah,
it.
because you looked into the list of job that you applied for, and you see that Bloomfire is there, right? How
Yeah,
do you tell the computer to look into the list?
by looking at the records.
When you
I,
say looking at the record, what do you mean? How does the computer find something? When you say find, like for instance, it found your job applications, right? How did it find your job applications? What did you have to do?
I put the records.
When you say you put the records, what do you mean you put the records?
Oh, I added the get records.
Right. A get records got you the list. And so
Yeah.
it found your list. So how would you find the Bloomfire job listing in your job applications? How would you do that?
Um, with the we need to get the records.
Yeah, you get the records. What records will you be getting?
Uh, the job
The job
application.
applications, where what?
Oh, so can you say that one more time,
Okay, so
Roy?
you're getting the job applications. Where what? You don't want to get all of them. You want to get one, which one?
The one that I
No,
applied.
you want the one that says Bloomfire
Oh, yeah,
because you checked
Bloomfire.
off Bloomfire, right? And if it finds it,
Yeah,
you don't want to apply, you see? Because you applied already.
yeah.
Now uncheck that and check off full press. Now, when you say next, what do you want? You want it to get your applications and where that the job posting name is Full Press. Will it find it? Look at your application list. Will it find Full Press?
no.
No. And if it doesn't find it, you want it to help you to apply. Does that make
Yeah.
sense? But you have to do a
Yeah.
get because you're getting your applications where what? Where the company name is in your list of applications. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's X this out. That's what we need to do. Okay, so there's the job that was selected, and so you're in the branch to the right,
To the right.
not the left, the right.
The right. Yeah, the
Okay,
right.
and so you do, so don't worry about that one. Go below that one. Okay, so the job, oh, job already applied? No, no, we don't want that. The one on top. Okay, click on that. So remember what we're doing. We're doing a what?
Get record.
Get record.
Get records, right. What records are you getting?
Job application.
Right.
Okay.
So here you're going to say get job applications.
Application.
Well, application actually, just one.
Application.
Take out the S.
Because you only want, yeah, she did.
Right.
Okay, from where?
The application object.
Okay, let's see if she can answer
Sorry,
it first.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, from application.
Mm-hmm. Where what?
Where the company is in the is
Well,
is
well, an application has what? It has how is an application made? It combines what?
oh
Go to the application object.
Yeah. What's in an application object?
You just X out of it.
so there is we
Job
have
posting.
posting.
Right. And working in the checkbox, you're picking a job posting,
Yes.
right? So in the field down there, right now you're in the application, right? And what are you going to search for? What are you looking for?
A job posting.
Right. So go down to job posting.
Job
There you go.
posting.
Mm-hmm. Equals to what?
To the
The ID.
To the selected job posting. No, the selected job posting in the data table. Which data table are we talking about?
we're talking about the application.
No.
No, the job posting data.
It's got to reference the job posting to the
Right, remember you
application.
checked.
Oh,
Okay. So you should see, right? You see the data tables, DT?
DT, what is it?
DT.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now that's the application. That's not what you checked.
Yeah.
You checked the DT job listing.
So click on that.
First selected row, click on that. Okay, and then you want the ID of the job posting.
The record ID.
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 No,
ID.
you missed it
Go.
up there. ID.
Job posting. Oh, just the ID?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay. That's all you need. You only need one.
What about the
That's it.
company name though?
No, she doesn't need the company name because she's clicking on job posting. And basically you're saying, is there an application that I have that has a job posting?
Right.
Okay. So click anywhere else. That's fine. Okay. Now something more. It's not only that it's a job posting, uh, an application for where that the job posting is there because Jermaine could have applied for it, right? So it's more than that. It's job posting and person who applied.
So you got to do the
Now,
and
in your,
condition.
yes, but before that, let's get the field. What field is it in the job and the application, right? Look at your application object. Okay, which one tells you you applied? Which field? Who's applying?
The application ID will tell us.
No. The who, how do you know it's either you or Jermaine that applied?
Oh, um, can you ask me the question again, Lou?
Okay, so do you see who applied? If you were to fill this out,
Yeah.
how do you know who applied once you save it?
Oh, it will show created by.
Okay, let's see that. X
Uh,
this out and pick up a new one. Pick up one that was already there.
okay.
Okay, you see the created by?
Yeah.
And it's Jermaine in this case, right? But it's
Yeah.
not called created by. What is it called?
Um,
Do edit object. No, that's edit. Edit
oh,
object.
edit object.
Mhm. And look at the fields. Okay, do you see the created by?
No. Oh, yeah, I see here. It's created by ID.
That table, but the field name is what?
Created by ID.
Exactly. So that's the field we need. Right? So go back to your flow. Okay. So we need to add another condition because it's not only that is the job posting, but who applied for it as well. So the field is the created by ID equals to what?
The job application.
No. Who applied? How do you know who applied? Who is checking that box?
A
It's
user.
which user?
Who applied for the job.
No. You're checking to see if the user applied, but which user is the one here? It's the person that is logged in,
Yeah.
right? You logged in. So click in that, click value. How do you get the user? You scroll it down. You see the user down there. See the user? Yep. Click on that. We need the ID. Click on that. Okay. Click anywhere else. This will be fine. Okay. Save this. This will find a job posting or not find a job posting if you applied or not. Okay. Now, let's see here for a moment. Job is selected. Okay. Now we need another decision, which is right after get job application.
Should I exit this one?
No, just click
Yeah,
on
you
that
could exit this
plus.
one.
Or
This
no,
one?
No,
after
not that
get
one.
job
Remember where
application.
Mhm.
Afterwards, right? That one.
Now we need a decision. Okay. Oh, you want to know, did you get a job application? So was job application found?
Type that out. Right. Was job application found? Type that out.
Now,
So
how
the-
do you know if a job application was found? So here, type yes, job application found.
On the
Right there.
where?
Right where you are, type yes, comma, space, job application found. Oh, that's it. Now, how do you know a job application was found?
excuse me.
Jermaine, yeah, yeah. Go ahead, Happiness. If you think you could
Oh, I'm
answer that.
thinking.
Mhm.
Hold on for a minute, fellas. Go ahead, still figure it out if you can, but hold on.
How are we gonna know if the job was found?
Yes, the job application was found for the logged in user. How do you know?
Mhm. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay, you see your get in pink, that one on the left? See the get
Um,
job application on the left?
yeah.
The left. That. Remember that's a get?
Oh, yes.
What does that get
It
is
said,
doing? It's getting the job application for the selected job and the user, right?
yeah.
If it doesn't find it, what happens? It will be null. If it does find it, then it will be not null. You get it?
Oh, yes.
So then go click on the resource, right? And then we need to do the get application. See, it says application from get applications, right? So get the
Excuse-
job application, right? That's it. Scroll outside. Yeah, click outside. Now we want to know, is it null? Is null false? Okay, what does is null false mean? It means it found something, right?
Yeah.
Because it's not null.
Yeah.
Makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now click on default outcome.
Default outcome.
Nope.
Um,
To
To the
the, no, no,
left.
no, no,
here?
No,
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 to the,
no.
no, 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 no. Into underneath yes, job application found.
No,
Go
no.
back it, go up to the left, to the left, to the left.
And
Go down,
no,
go
Right.
down. Go back into,
Oh,
go to the
okay.
right.
Wait.
yeah. You see,
Here's my right.
no, no, you see the gray area, that little gray area on the left side in the middle?
See where
You
it
see
says
in the
all conditions are met. Go to the
Yeah.
left.
Here.
to the
Go
left,
to the left, but don't exit. There you go.
To the right. Oh, here.
click on that.
Okay.
Okay. Now delete default outcome. Okay. Now you could say no job application. Okay, that's it. Now just save this. Okay. Now If you have no job application, right? We'll leave that at the moment. But you see, you have in blue on the bottom there, it says job already applied.
Here?
Yes. So if it found a job application, you want it to say job already applied, right?
If they found a job application.
Right, because you applied for it, so it found it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So we want to move that where it says yes, job application found. Now click on it.
Click on the job already applied.
Right, the blue. Yeah. Okay, scroll it down so we could see. No, don't not double click. Just
Scroll it down.
yeah, but scroll it
Scroll it
up.
down.
There you go.
There you go.
Okay. We want to no, we want to cut it. And then where it says yes, job application found, hit the plus. Okay, so we put it there. Right?
Mhm.
Now, where it says no job application, right? We actually want to build a new page that allows us to create a job application,
So you see where it says create
right?
job
So hit the
application?
plus.
Hold on. Can't we use that element to the left all the way to it says create job application?
No.
Can we use that one?
Well, we're going to hold off. No, we
Okay.
can't use that.
Okay.
Hit plus. Put a screen there. Okay. And call this job application or create job application.
Create job application.
Okay.
Just application, not application.
That's it. Okay. So because the other one is already there, just in the beginning, just type screen. Not there, but on the bottom. Screen. This is your screen to create
Underscore.
the. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now, what are some of the things that it needs when you're creating a job application? What does it need?
You need the job posting ID.
Okay. I'm going to hold off on that,
Oh,
right? Because you'll get that a little later on. It's going to need what? What's some of it? The date of the application or how does go back to the application there, right? And say, okay, so it says the job posting application status. Just put the application status and its submission date. Okay, so to do that, we need the application status, right? What is that
Yeah.
called? That's a pick list, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so slide a pick list up there. Okay. And that
and
pick list is
label it application status.
and under API. Okay, just leave that there. That's fine. Okay, and it is a pick list. So the data type, click on that, is text. That's correct. Okay. It's the pick list. See the choice? Click in there. Say new choice. Okay. Now here, this is going to be a pick list choice set on the bottom. Okay. The app name. So you do PCS for pick list choice set. PCS.
No, just
over
type.
here.
No, just type
Type
PCS.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Underscore application status. No,
No
underscore. There's no
spaces.
spaces here.
Underscore.
Now, where is the pick list coming from? It's from which object?
Um, job
No, no,
application.
not job application. It's from the
Yeah,
application.
application.
Mhm.
Application. Application. Here.
Okay, click on that. And what's a data type? It's going to be text pick list. Yeah. And the field is called status. There you go. That's it. Say done. Okay. Now just save this. What's the other field? It was the date, right? Application date or
Submission,
submission date.
submission date.
Mhm. So you need to slide in a date on the left side, the component, right? Hmm.
Nope, underneath. Go down. There we go.
No, that's fine. Okay. Now this is the label is submission date. Okay. And default, see over there? No, default. Okay, so here, click on flow. And click on current date. That'll put the current date in there. Okay? We're just going to leave this alone at the moment. Now click on where it says required. Okay, click on the application status as well.
No, the top one. The top one.
To the left.
That one. Right.
And
Click
click
that
on
as
required.
required.
Okay. Hit done. Save this. Now let's see if we're working fine. Okay, debug. Run. Okay, pick one that you did not apply to. Okay, next. There we go. Click on the status.
Wow.
Status.
Oh.
See?
Oh.
It picks up the status, so just put one there, right?
Just click apply.
Okay, and you see it
Okay.
puts in the date, right?
Yeah.
But it needs to do more. It needs to put the job posting and different things like that. All right. So it's showing me that you guys need a lot of work to understand how to do stuff like this.
Yeah.
Now
Um,
hit previous or run again. Hit run again. Now pick one you did apply to. That is correct. Okay. Oh, okay, okay.
so you see, you guys made this, you didn't really understand that the computer doesn't know what you're thinking. And that's the hard part about doing stuff like this. You have to stop thinking that the computer knows what's in your head. You have to tell it every single little step, right? You get it? That's the difference between an admin and an admin who can do some flows and development. Okay? Now, let's see if we could put the job posting actually. X this out. Okay, double click on create job application.
Application.
Okay. Now it wants the job posting, right? Okay, team. Let's see. Now slide in there's going to be a there is going to be a display text. Put that in there. Put it on the top.
Display text.
Mhm. Okay. And just say API is job posting name.
Underscore right posting.
Okay. Now click in the big box. In the big box. Okay. Now click where it says insert a resource. Where are we getting the job posting name?
Insert a resource right there.
Yeah. Where are we getting it from?
Oh, where are we getting the job posting?
Job posting name. Right. Where?
Oh, we're getting it from
So,
the
mhm.
the job posting.
Wh- Um, what does that mean?
Oh, wait, I'm confused. What was the question?
Where are you getting the job posting name?
From the job application?
No. Click anywhere out here. Oh, no, no. Yeah, don't delete that. Click inside that box and just put test in here. Okay, done. Okay, save this. All right. Now we want the job posting to appear there. Just do a debug. Run. Okay, you see these two things? One is a list of applications that you apply to, and one is a list of job postings, right?
Yeah.
Now click on the full press.
Uh, full price?
Mhm.
Oh,
Full
the job.
press. Yeah. So what is this?
This is the job?
It's the job listing.
Yes.
And what did you do? You selected a job listing, right?
Yes.
Okay. So remember, you selected a job listing. Where did you select the job listing from?
From the get records?
No, from the table.
Oh,
Remember,
from the data table.
this is the data table. What is the name of the data table?
Job listing data table.
And the job listing data table has the company name, full press,
Yes.
and it's selected. You see?
Yes.
Go next. The blue button.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You see where it says test?
Uh-huh.
We don't want test. I just had you put it there. We really want the job posting name, company name that you selected,
Oh,
right? And
yeah.
where are we getting the company name from? Where was it
From
again?
the job listing data table.
Right, the job posting data table, right? Okay, so X this out. Okay, click back into that blue screen called Create Job Application. Go back to where it says Test. Get rid of the test. Now we want, click on that resource. Where is it coming from again?
From the job listing data table.
So scroll down to the data table. You missed it.
Oh, here.
Right. Click on that. Okay. First row selected. Okay. And it's called company name.
Yes. Company. This one.
There you go. Okay. Now hit done. Save. Okay. Debug. Run. Okay.
Run.
Pick full press again. There you go. So now it knows you're trying to do an application where for full press. See?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're not going to complete this today, but this is definitely something you guys need to really study and understand. Right?
Yeah.
Now, is it very confusing, Happiness, you think? Or you think it's
Mm.
something that between you and Jeff, you can really work out understanding what it's doing?
Yeah, it doesn't seem to be hard at all. It's just need to understand it, understand the concept and how things works and understand the flow, like what we need the flow to do.
Right. And you have to remember, don't make assumptions that the computer knows something. It
Yes.
doesn't. You have to search in your job applications to make sure that you didn't apply.
Yeah.
Okay. Now X this out and we're going to run this again, but as Jermaine.
Okay.
No,
Right.
not
Oops.
run, but debug.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now click right. Now run it as Jermaine. So Jermaine only has these, you see? And he applied the full press.
Yes.
So let's pick something that he didn't apply to.
Bloomberg. This one.
Mhm. Yep, next. You
Ooh.
see how this is working?
Yes.
Okay. I know that's a lot, and there's a whole bunch of stuff going on, and we did a whole lot of different things, right? And it's going to take you more than a few hours to really understand everything and to put it into your head. But this is very basic stuff, right? This is how flows work, right? And you can see how useful it is, right?
Yes.
Mhm. So between you and Jermaine, you think you guys can figure it out and and then at some point in time, we'll move forwards and get to actually creating the application?
Create the application.
No, you won't know. I don't know if you'll be able to create the application. I'm just saying you, I don't want to go too much further until you both start to understand how this flow works.
Yeah. I think that would be a good idea.
Hmm. Yeah, if you could get your head around it and understand it and you'll get to a point where that it makes sense, and then your interviews will get a little bit better, and so on and so on. But you see what I'm saying? There's a lot to Salesforce, right?
Yeah, there is a lot. Salesforce
Yeah.
is huge indeed.
Yes, but at the same time, right, you can't stop studying.
Yeah.
And it's more than an hour a day. Look, us people who work in Salesforce, we put 8 hours a day. And we still don't know everything, right?
Yeah. Oh, really?
Of course not. Do you think Jeff knows everything?
No, I don't think so.
Right. You know, you think Jermaine knows everything? He worked 8 hours a day, supposedly.
Yeah.
You know, So unfortunately, you still have to put time into it to really understand it. So I'm not saying you have to do it to get a job, but when you're in the job, they're going to make assumptions that you know some of this stuff, especially if you have it on your resume. Do you have flows on your resume?
Yeah, I do have flaws on my resume.
They're going to make the assumptions you know what you're doing. Remember, Kobe lost his job
Yeah.
because he didn't really know anything on his resume. So getting the job is just one part of it. Staying employed is the other, right?
Yeah.
And the thing is that you could hire the guru, it could help you if it's a remote job. But sometimes it's good to know it yourself. Mhm.
Yeah, that's definitely true.
Same thing for you, Jermaine, if you're listening.
Yeah.
Jermaine, you should be well on your way to understanding this flow here, right?
Hmm.
I don't know. That doesn't strike me as being very confident.
Yeah. No, I am. Yeah.
Now let me ask, do you think you could finish this off so that the screen becomes everything that you need to create the actual job application?
Yeah, I think we'll be able to finish this off.
Well, what else do you need for the job application? You have the posting, you
Well, you have
have
to
the
go to.
application steps.
Okay.
Go
Excuse me.
go to the application.
Go to the application object.
Yeah, now hold on, let's see. So you got the application status, you got the submission. You could put some notes in there, but you need the application submitted URL. So it's only a few more things you need. You know, uh, you need the notes and the application submitted URL. That's all you need. Now, so you could finish the screen off, and then if you could try to do the create application, that would be great. But it's going to be tricky.
It's
But you
gonna
might as
be.
well try it, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
create application in the flow?
Yes, the flow
Yes.
has to create the application.
Wow.
Okay. So see if you could do that. And then once you do that, that's where you have to spend time to understand this stuff. And I'm sure Jeff will help. Mhm. But that's also, happiness. I don't think doing one day a week sessions with Jermaine is I don't think you could really understand a lot of Salesforce. You know, I think every day you have to do something.
Yeah, I have on my to-do I'm trying to do 2 hours every day.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think you guys should schedule more time, right?
We could. I guess
And
we
then
did.
and
We
then
we doing Mondays, Wednesdays. I guess maybe Saturday or something like that.
mhm.
Or you know.
Yeah, we can do that too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Just remember, you're looking for jobs that potentially pay 100,000 plus. They kind of need someone who knows stuff like that's kind of like on a complicated level. Jeff got pretty lucky with his job.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean you're going to get lucky like that either. You know,
Yeah.
he made it seem very easy.
That's true.
you know. But since Jeff wasn't or still is an admin, he should be able to get you guys through finishing up that screen and creating that application. Right?
Yeah. Yep.
All right, let's see what happens.
Okay.
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 Also,
Yes.
we should be meeting Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, you mean?
I'm okay with that. It doesn't matter to me. Friday, Saturday, doesn't matter to me. Whatever.
Okay. I think Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday night will be great.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Right?
Yep. Okay.
All right, guys. Sounds good.
Thank you, Lou.
Yep, anytime.
Yeah.